Imagine waking up feeling energized and ready for the day. Step 1 in motivation. Start by setting a clear intention. Intentions shape actions. They give direction to our daily deeds. Next, incorporate visualization to enhance your belief and focus. Visualize goals clearly. Feel the emotions of achieving them. Now, let's talk about habits. These are your daily building blocks. Create purposeful habits that align with your long-term objectives. Encounter setbacks. Use them as lessons to propel further growth. Remember to celebrate small victories. They fuel bigger achievements. Celebrate progress, for it reinforces your beliefs and behaviors. Conclude each day with gratitude, reflecting on your accomplishments. Visit our sponsor www.2tv.store for your complete IPTV experience.